Dock 3 is clear. Bring the next trailer in.
Copy that. Moving now. Check the pulp consistency on the last batch.
Looks within tolerance, but keep monitoring the flow rate.
Here in the advanced extraction chamber, the peeled mango flesh is transformed by massive stainless steel pulping machines. The rotating
The flow rate here is exactly 40,000 liters per hour. Understood. Everything is synchronized.
compressed air jets ensure every bottle is perfectly clean before it moves to the filling stage, maintaining the highest sanitary standards.
Truck 24B is clear for loading. Move the mango pallets quickly. Confirmed. Moving now.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical for the mango beverage fleet, ensuring freshness across the subcontinent. We need to optimize the routing for the Chennai shipment.
I am adjusting the flow rate on conveyor 12 now.
Place the bottles on the second shelf down, next to the chilled section.
Got it. We're running low on stock here.
905 rupees for these.
Excuse me, how does this self-checkout work?
Let PME help you with that.
Here, autonomous forklifts and robotic shuttles maintain the non-stop material flow, ensuring the precise replenishment cycle of mango beverages across the nation.
The temperature in Zone 3 is stable at 2 degrees Celsius.
Good. The mango pallets are secure.
In this advanced fulfillment center, robotic systems collect cartons from different conveyor lanes, assembling customized mixed pallets with millimeter accuracy.
The staff works tirelessly to ensure the shelves are always full, maintaining perfect product presentation.
The optical scanners are working at peak efficiency today. Yes, the sorting precision is excellent. We are diverting maximum PET.
Rates. Inside this advanced facility in India, transparent bottles are rigorously cleaned, moving through high-pressure washers and friction scrubbers.